Hello guys, welcome to SP Global Guru channel. Today we are going to see about software testing. Are you a fresher? Are you confused to which technology you should choose to develop your career? Yes, here. Software testing is the good platform to develop your career. So, in this session, we are going to discuss why software testing, what are the types in software testing, what is the benefit in this, and how you can develop your career in the software testing. First, software testing definition we will see. What is software testing? So, software testing is the process to find defect or bug in the software. So it is one of the process to find the defect or bug in a software. So software testing is used to satisfy the client requirement or not. So it is used to satisfy whether the software meets the client requirement or not. For example, if a company is coming, like consider some company, ABC company or any company, they need a software for their business. So they are coming to one project development company, project based company. So some company we will take like CD, some company. This is some company name and this is some company. This is a project based company. So there are more project based company to develop an application like the TCS and Infosys. More project based companies are there. So here this company, ABC company, they need a software for their business. So they are coming to the one project based company and this company develop the software. For example, they demand a fashion e-commerce application for means they will develop an e-commerce application by developer team. So in developer team they will develop the application using many programs like Java, Python or C Sharp. They will develop the application in development team. Then it will go to the testing team and after the testing the product will be released. So this is the process which is happening backside of the company. So see here, some company need a software. They are coming to the project based company and this company accepted the agreement and they are developing the project using some programming language like Java, Python, C or C Sharp. So and it is going to the testing. So testing the main aim of the testing is to give the 100% quality product to the client. Yes, and then it is going to the release stage. So in this testing we have two types. One is manual testing. So from this we have two types. One is manual testing, another one is automation. So, manual testing is performed by the user in human interaction. Human interaction. So, I will test the application by myself. So, here no coding knowledge is required. No coding knowledge is required. Coming this side, this testing will be done by some tools, some software tools. Using that software tools, I will test my application. So here, coding knowledge is required. Coding knowledge is required. So manual testing, anyone can learn the manual testing. It will be just full of theories. So to test the application, we will use human interactions. So we should understand the concept, how to test. Like there will be more concept in your manual testing. You have to learn the concept and you can test according to that. So it is performed by human interaction. So no coding knowledge is required. Say non-IT people also can learn the manual testing. So in automation testing, the testing is performed by the software tools. So we have some software tools, Selenium, and that software tools we have to write a set of codes, and that code will perform the testing. Okay. So here, so coding knowledge is required. If you want to do automation testing, coding knowledge is required. So you can learn Java or Python. Is to any programming knowledge. This is the types in software testing. So as a fresher, it is the best to start your career in software testing. So as a fresher, they are paying 4 lakh per annum. So start now to learn software testing. Do register in SP Global Solution. Thank you.